Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show you how to repost Instagram post, so let's start. First go on Play Store or App Store. Then go to search and type, Repost Instagram. Now follow on this second app and download it. When you download, go back and open your Instagram. Now go on search. And choose a post you want to repost. After that tap on this three dot. And tap on this to copy link. Now go back and go on app you download. When you come on this app, tap on this to repost and wait couple second. Now tap on post. Now you have few options to repost post. First is to add to story. Second is to send direct to anybody, and last is to post to feed. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.